department. Get down. Hey, come on. Yeah. Let's go. Bring the baby out here. Back up. Bring it out here. Bring it out here. Bring it out here. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Go. Get down here. Hey.
Baby, are you with the caller?
Hey, firm. Jesus. Good God.
She's been a fucking just. Here, come out here.
Dispatch, you can close that one out. We're not going to be able to get to it.
David, dispatch, we're going to need a boss out here ASAP.
Cover.
On the way.
That's a month.
No. Stay back.
We're not. They know this shit that goes on over here. They know we're not okay. They've seen this shit.
What happened? Hey, 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 stay right there. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. 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 Sit.
They've seen it all in this house.
Who?
John.
Who's John?
John's the dad. He's the man that lives in Zena. She's next, I promise.
Out of here.
He breaks me.
Out of here. Out of here.
I already said that too. I've been trying to get away from his abuse and save him, and half the time he's like, "No, you sit right there."
You want to see? You want to see it? Did you see Sierra?
Yes, I've seen
You
it.
did? No, look now. Look. That's your fault.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
I can't work. He had control of my foot before. I just got control of his
Take
back.
your mother, 2 kids. I'll take
I've
back to
been-
the fire truck.
There's 2 more in there?
There's 2 more in there.
Ever 10.
Baby's been dead. Baby's been dead for about a month, it looks like. Yeah. Right there.
I grabbed this bus before 4270 place on 33. I'm going through the neighbors.
The mom.
Go down there right now.
Anybody else inside?
There's 2 more kids in the
No,
house. Watch her.
I mean, there's nothing in there.
0. It's been a week.
I'll get your shoes. I'll get your shoes.
Yeah. Right.
How old?
I don't know.
I thought it came out as 2 years.
Just hold up, man. Just hold on till the boss gets here. Let's just sit tight. Sit tight.
The ambulance? Just to get him out of
He's
yeah, that's far back. They're pretty far on him.
just wait till the boss. If you guys are he's pretty far gone. Just give it to the boss.
You good if I put the dogs in the room?
Yeah. As long as there's nobody in there.
Honest, for 1 second.
Minutes, let's go. Bring it up.
Last time you saw this child was yesterday.
He was really big.
Make sure there's nobody in there. Get the dogs in there and then get her back out. What? And 2? Can you find out where the kid was at and keep the dogs out of that area? She's in the fucking house screaming, dude. It's like a fucking hoarder house. There's 2 other kids in there. This kid's all fucking fucking emaciated. Looks like it's been dead for weeks.
Oh.
Yeah. Tiny little child. She's in there just fucking inconsolable. He's got her in the back of my car right now.
The female?
The female, yeah. She's got 2 other kids here. FD had them over here. But, dude, it's a fucking mess in there. Chang went back with her to take the 2 dogs that are running loose out here back in. There's nobody else in the house. She's out here. We got nobody there. The kids, FD had them somewhere over here. The 2 kids.
Are they transported?
The kid's still on the porch here. Oh. They're like, dude, this kid has been gone at least a week.
Okay.
So I told them they wanted to move it. You know, we brought the other kids out. They wanted to move it. I told them leave everything as it is.
All right.
So everything is as it is. They brought the kid out from one of these back bedrooms here. I'm going to assume the one that had the crib in it. They brought her out and laid her out. She's done, dude.
We've been seeing them since, and then I went back to work and I said, we're leaving here. And I've been grinding and grinding. I finally got us a car, which he's controlling it. He's using it right now.
Where's the child? Where's the dad? Where's dad at?
He's avoiding coming back, and I think he
What's
knew.
his name?
I think he knew this morning when he left that Zayn was gone. And
What? When's the last time that you knew of that Zayn was alive?
Yesterday.
Yesterday when?
Yesterday morning.
How do you know?
Before I went to stream, I made sure he was eating a bottle.
Some of these you feel a little bit bad, but my God.
No, she's got it.
Yeah.
We come on her all the time. She goes.
Not anymore.
Drugs.
Not anymore, guys. I gotta assume this is gonna be the end of this one.
Right now is his mommy.
What's his name?
Jonathan G.
Sit with her. I'm gonna run some stuff here.
March 17 just turns out. Jonathan G. She's always in this. Can I at least grab the phone where it has the proof, please?
We'll grab it for in a little bit, okay?
He's gonna rip.
Okay, it's not like we don't believe you, okay? You just gotta give us some time, okay?
Nothing's gonna bring him back. It was already hard enough to want to live. They were my only motivation to get us out of here. And now
What do you
my
mean?
baby's
What do you mean? What do you mean? There's nothing that's gonna bring him back? What do you mean by that?
my baby. I tried. I was breathing. I was breathing. He's one of those black. What is that? Why is it like that? Why is it like that? He looks like he choked or threw up or something. What was their color? He had to have known even when I called him and I said he's being cold. There's no way he didn't know. His mom's driving him blind because where's my car? What has he done? Why can I not escape? I'll never be able to give up the life I imagined. I wanted to get in the house with a yard away from him, away from thing 1, which was also narcissistic and abusive, which is my oldest dad.
Hold on. Who are you? Oh, the father? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you live here too?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Real quick, you got your ID on you?
When officers arrived at this residence, they found a baby, emaciated, cold, and dead. 2 other children were still living in the same home. A baby named Zayn is dead. This is his story. Officers immediately request a supervisor and order the entire scene preserved. Nothing moved. This is the correct response. Scene preservation is the foundation of any homicide prosecution. The infant shows signs of death 1 week to 1 month prior. Under child neglect law, the question is not intent. It is whether a parent's failure to act caused or contributed to a child's death. Jonathan claims the baby was fine when he left at 2:30 p.m. If forensics say otherwise, that statement becomes evidence of guilt. Sierra describes years of abuse and financial control. Domestic violence is a mitigating factor, but not a legal shield. Both parents are arrested. Both face potential charges for the death of their child.
Did she call you or something?
Yeah.
What? When's the last time you seen? Is that your son?
Yeah.
When's the last time you seen him? This morning? Okay. How was he this morning? Fine? Okay. What time did you see him this morning, roughly? About 12 a.m.? p.m.? p.m.? Okay. What was he doing at that time? Sleeping? And, well, where? What room specifically was he sleeping in?
The first bedroom right here.
This bedroom right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you pick up the baby at all, or what? What was your interactions with the baby?
I rubbed his back. He moved a little.
Okay.
Got readjusted.
Nothing out of the ordinary for you, though? Okay. Do you remember what he was wearing?
Just his diaper.
Just his diapers? Okay. And about what time did you leave here?
About 2:30.
2:30? 2:30 p.m.?
Yeah.
Okay. Where'd you go from there?
I went straight over to my dad's house because we were wearing the brakes on her car.
Okay.
We were going to do it before the snowstorm, but
Okay.
didn't have enough time.
Okay. And you live here? Okay. How long have you two been living here?
About 3 years.
About 3 years? Okay. Any medical history? Did the baby wake up at all or cry today while you were home?
We cried this morning. Yeah.
Cry this morning when you were here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was supposed to go to an orientation for work, but I slept.
Okay. Who else lives here with you?
Just me, Sierra.
That's Sierra right here?
Yeah, Damian, which is mine and her older.
How many other kids do you guys have?
That's just everybody we babysit her oldest.
You babysit her oldest?
Yeah.
Does the oldest live here also?
Just only a few times. Just maybe for a few times.
So it's just you, Sierra, and...
How many kids do you have with her?
2.
2. What's you told my partner what the name of the 2 were?
And then we babysit her oldest.
Her oldest.
Yeah. Was everything okay with Zayn?
We're still investigating.
Yeah, both.
95 both, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Both are car.
2 teleservices on Carl Place.
In one car?
No.
14.
Okay.
Yours and mine.
The kids out of your car?
They're in
Okay.
14. No, they're in 14.
Okay. I'll take this. Put your hands behind your back, okay? Interlace your fingers. Yep. Anything in your pockets that you know about? Nothing that's going to cut us, poke us? Okay. No drugs or anything in your pockets? You said no?
Nope.
I got it.
Did you get my mom my house key?
Where is it? I'll give it to her in a bit. Let's go this way. Yep. Putting your chest against the car.
What's wrong with me now? I should have killed you a long time ago.
Officers, professional, composed, tactically sound, grade A-. Sierra knew the baby was cold before calling 911, grade D. Jonathan, false timeline, 2 warrants, abuse allegations, grade F. Every case like this leaves behind lessons that the justice system and society cannot afford to ignore. Lesson 1, a child's death is never invisible. Decomposition, weight loss, and silence are visible signs. Neighbors, family members, and anyone in contact with this household had an opportunity and arguably a responsibility to act. Lesson 2, domestic violence does not stay between 2 adults. Children in abusive homes are always at risk. When a parent is trapped by coercive control, the children in that home are trapped with them. If you know someone in this situation, the National Domestic Violence Hotline is 1-800-799-7233. Lesson 3, Child Protective Services must have teeth. If CPS had prior contact with this family, the system failed Zayn. Prior involvement is not a checkbox. It is a warning that demands follow-through. Lesson 4, officers did their job, but their arrival came too late to save the child they were called to help. The real intervention had to happen weeks, maybe months, earlier. That window was missed. Zayn did not have a voice. This video exists so that his story is not forgotten. Thank you for watching. If this case has an update, Leave it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.
Real quick. Have a seat.
Miss, what's your name again? Zia, can you stand up for me?
Yeah.
Turn and face your house. Put your hands behind your back. I'll put her in mind, Chang. Come on.
If it's wrong to admit now, I should have killed you a long time ago when you first beat me.
We're done. We're done.
It's more worth it than losing my son. I wish he was the one dead.
You got a bra on, I see?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna search my body cameras now, okay?
This is fine. He just said he deserves to be dead.
Okay. Have a seat.
Step out this way. Stand right here. Face the wall.
We're going to take all his clothes right now.
Okay. Okay.
No, we're not going to book him right now. We can sell
Well, we're gonna book one of his warrants. You got 2 warrants out of us.
Okay, well, we can book them later.
Okay.
On that, I guess they don't want to book right now at all.
Okay,
So,
that works. Place your hands on the counter for me. They just called?
that's what Randall told me.
Okay.
So don't book them right now.
Okay. Was that like sometime between when I was in around here? Okay. Okay, that works. Do me a favor. Can I take off your piercings? You don't want the piercings, right? Just the clothing. So what we're going to have you do, you're going to take off all your clothing. We're going to give you sort of white jumpsuit.
Take the clothes or no? Okay.
Okay, can I take off your hoodie, please? Set it down right here. Okay. Take off your shoes.
Let's not do that, okay?
Had referred to